Ever wondered how to train your fruit trees in the art of espalier? Espalier, a horticultural technique, is all about directing woody plants' growth. This art form encourages trees to grow flat against a wall, fence, or trellis. It's not just about the aesthetic appeal, though that's certainly a bonus. Espalier offers practical benefits too, such as saving space in your garden and even increasing fruit production. It's a technique that marries beauty with utility. Now, let's dive into how you can create your own espalier masterpiece. Creating an espalier begins with selecting the right tree. Fruit trees, such as apples and pears, are commonly used due to their flexible branches and ability to bear fruit. Remember, a young, unbranched specimen is ideal. Next, position your tree. It should be in a spot that receives ample sunlight, preferably against a wall or fence for support. Now select a design. Whether you prefer the traditional horizontal cordon or the more complex Belgian fence, the choice is yours. Once your tree is in place and your design selected, the real work begins: pruning and training the branches. This is done to encourage the tree to grow in the desired shape. Be gentle yet firm, and remember, patience is key. Regular maintenance, including additional pruning and tying, is crucial to ensure your tree maintains its shape. And there you have it, your tree is on its way to becoming a beautiful espalier. Remember, the art of espalier requires patience and consistency. Selecting the right tree is the first step, followed by positioning it appropriately. Choose a design that suits your space and aesthetic, then prune and train your tree carefully. Consistent maintenance is crucial for a thriving espalier. Each step carries its own significance in this art form. With time and care, your fruit tree will become a living work of art. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.